Good afternoon, it's Carl from Haas Factory Outlet New Zealand. Just a little bit of an introduction and an overview at the VF-3 Machining Centre. We've got our stand here at South Mac in Christchurch, New Zealand. So we've got a job shop production machine tool. We've got 635 in the Z, we've got 1016 in the X-axis, so a largish frame machine, and 508 in the Y-axis. This one is kitted with the HRT 210 4th axis rotary table. It's also got the new next generation control on there. So graphically slightly different, but the layout and overview of the machine tool is as it always has been. So easy to use for all our operators.
Okay, that's great. And so if they want to get in contact with you to find out more information, what's the best way to do that?
Contact ourselves through our website or on our free 0800 number and speak to our guys in the office, and we'll be there to assist with inquiries.
Okay, that's great. All right, well, look, thanks Carl, that's great.